Okay, hello everyone. So today we got an LTD ESP electric guitar coming in for pro setup. There's a few other things that I need to address at the bridge as well. I will give you an update later on in the video. I hope you like it. See you at the end. Bye. Okay, hello everyone. So today we got an ESP LTD made in Indonesia F-250. This is in my books one of the more legendary guitars. Back then this was very popular and quite expensive. Yeah, so there's a few issues for this guitar. Number one, it needs a pro setup. Other than that, the blocks is missing. So initially when it came, two was missing, but when I redid the intonation at the bridge as well, one of the strings actually came off from the block itself. So end up I need to change 3 pieces. Other than that, the guitar is quite nice. It's in good condition. Tuners can be upgraded maybe later on. The cavity for the electronics also not shielded, so if maybe later on you want to upgrade, these are some of the things that you want to consider to upgrade lah. Okay, other than that, missing bar, this one I will replace as well. Other than that, not a lot of issues. I am actually quite surprised there's not a lot of issues with this guitar. Other than that, before I forget, the nut blocks replaced with a gold one, but it doesn't fit just nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end up grinding a bit of the width for the blocks itself to actually fit it in place. On the bass side, E and A string, what happens is that the blocks is a bit too big, then the hole is shifted to one side, so it's actually offset. I need to grind the block itself to actually fit it. The screws are a bit long as well, so I'm going to grind that down as well just to fit in place. So I'm going to finish it off maybe tomorrow morning. Other than that, I tighten up the tuners, so it works quite nicely right now. Okay, so this is the test. I'm going to tune up real quick. That is the bridge pickup. For the neck pickup, okay, note test. Okay, for the bass side we have, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, on the bass side 12 fret is 1.75. For the treble side is is actually 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower down a bit more of the string. I want to achieve at least 1.25 or possibly 1. 1 for the bass side, then 1.25 on the treble side, or 1.25 on the bass side, then 1.75 on the treble side. I want it to be a bit cleaner and a bit more easier for me to play, not for me to play, for the client to play. But at this point it's actually quite comfortable already. It's only that I think it can go a bit lower, so I'm going to try that and see how it feels like. If the client want it to be a bit more lower, then I can at least know that it can achieve that. Okay, so this is the distortion. Okay, yeah, so pretty much that's it. Guitar is good to go. I just need to grind this down and adjust a bit more, clean up, and it should be ready for pickup in maybe 1 to 2 days. Okay, I see you when I see you. Take care. Bye. Okay, that's all for today. If you need any of my help with any of the guitar or bass work, do let me know. You can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.